Okay, this probability problem most of the time you see in your exams and you don't attempt and easily lose 2 to 3 marks. Today I'll show you how to solve this easily step by step and gain those marks. I'll read out the sum so that we can understand the problem. A committee of 2 persons is selected from 2 men and 2 women. What is the probability the committee will have? Condition 1, condition 2 and condition 3. There are 3 conditions given. Now we'll break this sum into 2 parts. That is, this is the first part and this second part. First part given is a committee of 2 persons is selected from 2 men and 2 women. First we need to find total possible numbers. So out of this we need to first check total person. There is 2 men and 2 women is total persons of 4. And a committee of 2 has to be selected from that. So committee of 2. So to find total possible numbers, we need to use this formula. Now we need to use this formula NCR, that is n factorial by r factorial to n minus r factorial. So if you see here, this will be 4c of 2. So using this, if we simplify, we can write it as 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 factorial. Now if you further simplify, this will be 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial 2 factorial. So 2 factorial 2 factorial gets cancelled. So that will finally give 4 into 3 divided by 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1. So now 2 into 2 is 4. So there are totally 6 possibilities. Now after getting this, now we'll try to solve the first condition. The first condition is no man. So to do that, we'll just simply make a box here. So here we have man and woman. So there are 2 men and 2 women. Since given is no man is 0. So committee of 2 has to be formed. So if there is no man, then all 2 should be women. So using these two, for this and this separately, we can make an equation as 2c0 into 2c2. This is for this and this is for this. Combining this, we'll get the solution for this. Now to solve this using this NCR formula, 2 factorial by 0 factorial 2 minus 0 factorial into 2 factorial by 2 factorial 2 minus 2. So further simplification, 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1 and 2 minus 0 is again 2. 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1 again. So 2 factorial is 2 into 1, again 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 factorial is 1. So what happens here is 2, 2, 2, 2, so 1 into 1, so 1 possibility is 1. So 1 possibility out of total 6 possibilities. Therefore, the probability will be 1 divided by 6 for no man. Now the second condition is like 1 man. So to have that, again we'll use the same this thing. So men and women. 2, 2. We have total is this. So in this, what he's asking is 1 man. So if 1 man, the committee of 2 has to be done. So left out will be 1. So 1 man and 1 woman can happen. So again using the similar thing, using this, we'll simplify and find the equation. So using this, we can write it as 2c of 1, 2c of 1 and 2c of 1. So simplifying further, you get it. Total is 4. So 4 and the total possibilities are 6. So 4 of 6. This is the probability for no man. So similarly, we can do it for the third one. That is 2 men. Now again using this box, we can see men and women, 2 and 2. So if there is 2 men, there it should be 0. So that total 2 committee members can happen. So using again this formula, if you simplify using this, what we can write is 2c2 into 2c0. So again by simplifying we get 1. So therefore 1 divided by 6. So this is the probability of 2 men. So by doing this way, you can solve any type of changes being done here also. Format, if you follow this, you can easily solve.